going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about a variation of a dumbbell snatch. This is called a dumbbell power snatch, and same as you would with a kettlebell power snatch, this exercise is going to start with the weight set on the ground, okay? So when I perform a power snatch, first coaching cue you're going to want to use, they're going to start with that weight on the floor, okay? Now I'm going to set my stance in relation to my dumbbell. As you notice, my dumbbell is set so that my handle runs just like so, and I'm going to set my feet outside my dumbbell to start off with. Now, typically, when we do our dumbbell power snatches on our strength days, we're going to be going a little bit heavier with a little bit lower repetitions, okay? You can have them alternate, one arm and then the other, or they can do the same number of repetitions right in a row with one arm and then the other. It's really a matter of personal preference and the preference of your client, okay? Now this hand is going to be set straight down. I'm going to squat down, keeping my chest upright, and that's going to be coaching cue number 2 for you. Good squat, chest upright, other hand's going to be out, okay? Now I'm going to snatch nice and explosively, pulling all the way up, focusing on elevating with this shoulder, getting full extension of the arm at the top, and getting under my weight, okay? I'm going to demonstrate for you right like so. I'm going to start here, good explosive movement, all the way up, and then safely back down, bringing it down, tracing down my body, okay? Again, lower repetitions are going to be what we're looking for in our boot camp workout, so you can have them alternate each arm if they go a little bit heavier, or do one on one side, one on the other side. If you have somebody that's really struggling with this exercise, okay, I have a couple of recommendations for you. First one would be to have them do a lighter weight, and if they feel more comfortable starting from a regular position, right like so, squatting into it and snatching up, they can do that as a variation. They can do a kettlebell snatch as a variation if that's easier for them and more effective for them. Or you can really just focus on other internal, external rotation exercises. Something like a dumbbell Cuban press might be a little bit easier for them to pick up to start off with, or just a basic dumbbell external rotation from a sideline position. That's a good beginner alternative if you need to make regressions for them, okay? Anyway, guys, try these coaching cues out the next time we do dumbbell power snatches in one of our workouts.